Okay, so this section of the Unit 1 review videos is on the regression equation. So there's a couple things that you need to do here is one, make sure you have that Desmos calculator open that uses the regression equations. It should be linked in the review along with linked during the test. So the regression equations section of the Unit 1 review, the first part is a card sort. So I actually just already put up the answers for you here. But the big thing with this card sort is knowing one, that which equation goes with which type of graph, and then what the shape of that graph is. So linear regression always makes that straight line, or close to a straight line as possible, and it uses the equation y equals mx plus b. Versus exponential regression, which is that curve shape. It's like an L or a backwards L. And it uses the equation y equals a times b to the x power. And then quadratic equations, which are the U shape or the upside down U shape. They look like a mountain or a valley. And the equation is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So that's the answer to that card sort. Moving on from the card sort, there is one more problem to do that has multiple parts. So it gives us our table. So in the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in to my Desmos calculator, and I am going to type in that table. So if you don't have the table right away, make sure you hit those arrows in the upper left-hand corner. And we're going to type that in. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 5, 12, 1.31, 2.1, 4.09, 6.37, 14.42. And then looking at our data, you can tell that this creates a straight line of points. So we're going to use our linear regression, which it also tells us to use. So we're going to use y equals mx plus b for our information here. So let me write that out. We've got y equals mx plus b. We know our m value is 1.199 if you round up. And our b value here is 0.144. 0.144. So writing out this equation, we've got y equals 1.199x plus 0.144. So that is our linear regression equation that best models the situation. Then it says use the regression equation to predict the height of the corn on day 10. So this is telling us our x value here is 10. So in our equation that we found up above, we're going to replace x with 10 and simplify. So do 1.199 times 10, and you get 11.99 plus 0.144, which gives us 12.134, which is centimeters. It's our height in centimeters. So the corn will be 12.134 centimeters on day 10 using our regression equation. Okay, the last portion that we need to do for this is look at our R value, our correlation coefficient. And just a reminder, your R value, the closer it gets to 1, the stronger it is. So we want a number that's pretty close to 1, which if we're looking at our R value here, 0.9983, that is very close to 1, which means there is a strong correlation. And just as a reminder, if it's close to 1 or -1, so if it was negative 0.9983, it would also be a strong correlation. And that is it for our regression equation review. If you need more help, make sure you see me and talk to me and get the answers that you seek.